Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will help you to remove the online scam, which is definitely related to the malicious website, which is called Protectyourphone.digital. So some people may pretty suddenly see these strange pop-ups by the website Protectyourphone.digital. These pop-ups claim to be somehow related to the well-known security program. But there is no connection between these pop-ups and that well-known security program. Protectyourphone.digital tries to mislead people and to scare them into downloading and installing potentially unwanted software. The pop-up indicates that your PC might be infected with viruses, and it also reports some other frustrating messages trying to encourage people into clicking on the proceed button. If people do that, they will be redirected to some other questionable websites that may lead them to potentially unwanted software and their installers. So, be very careful, don't interact with all these deceptive pop-ups. Sometimes they also may try to collect your personal details and use them illegally. We recommend you to thoroughly research your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get its fresh version on the official website combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching and investigating your computer. This is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. It is initially in the trial mode, even though in my case it's a premium mode, as you can clearly see. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete all other possible threats that could remain on your computer. But first of all, the program should update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. You need to wait until the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner is successfully updated. After that, click on Start Combo Scan button and begin thoroughly researching and investigating your system. By the way, Combo Cleaner, even in its trial mode, has got several absolutely free features, such as disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. So even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance of your computer. After you click on Start Combo Scan button, Combo Cleaner will begin thoroughly researching and investigating your computer. Then at the lapse of some time, you will see the detailed summary of all threats which were found on the system. You'll be able to know the names of these threats. You'll be able to know their locations on your computer. I strongly advise that you upgrade to Premium. This is the best solution to keep your data and your Mac always protected in the future.